our problem was how to improve quality employment for all. We focused more on teenagers because we figured out that schools don't really help in real life. So we raised a question: what schools and businesses can do in that question.
We want to engage people by making social events and building communities around cities and towns, and even with introverted people we want to make social medias and websites for them as available as we can.
We are gonna connect with school organizations and school employee unions because we need them and they will benefit from our work. We will talk to them to connect with us.
And we can empower schools to this by assuring that the students are motivated to get work, so the students will seek for workplaces themselves, so all work wouldn't be on the schools, and the businesses will be empowered to do this because they are assured that they will get motivated workers and a lot more opportunities for more work.